Let's see. This is a concrete no aquan. We concrete this if you feed me fowl. You can't feed your fowl, it flood out. Yesterday water them in cover donkey. The water raise more now instead for this water gone here come. This water come move. Watch me gotta feed me fowl. Right to sitting at sleep, watch. Right to sitting at sleep, me gotta feed them, watch. Watch. Right till we sitting asleep, watch. All over flood, watch. Watch what they got there, watch. One time they come and say, they come and book don't call what thing the last flood over there, but it's not so big. Oh lad, me talk me go get back something. Nothing, you don't hear back nothing, all of them last. You don't hear back nothing. They promise you, this government only a promise. Nothing they do. Blackbush people put them there. They're not doing it for Blackbush people. Dana all alone. Watch here. And send me mommy in the shop. Watch, right there I live. Right to them I live. Watch. Watch. Everything flood out here. Watch. You can't say this a lie. You can't say this a lie. Watch. This water not gone. This a come. Day and day you come more and more. Watch. Watch here. If I'm going to raise up them fridges this morning, even duck out, watch. Watch here. This is the clearance I've got to put on the water, watch. Water it right up. You go do here when you go see here again, election time again, you go here, then go come again. Fool you again. Then go do so again, nothing. Nothing then I do, nothing much. Water. I can catch fish inside here, watch. This is inside of the shop, not say outside. It's inside the shop, watch. If you think I lie, watch. It's inside the shop, watch. Pressure make your pants all fall, okay? This is the shop front. Where people gotta come buy thing, watch. I will pay a license and everything. Up to date. Watch. This is the shop front, watch. I've got to close the shop door, watch. Everything, watch. This is a bridge front, watch. Watch how the lady got come in the street, watch. This is a bridge front, watch. So look, you think you can't quit. Here a little way yesterday, watch. Watch. This is our street. This is our street. You don't even know street pan drain. Everything they in one. You don't even know. This is our street, watch. Watch here. Watch. This is my neighbor entrance, watch. You don't even know we say track there, and we say the dam there, we say drain there.
We're calling the agriculture minister to come see what happened here.
Waste
and
time.
The president and all of them, what they gonna do, and they do nothing.
Waste time, you call them, waste time.
We say call them, they got to come and see what people here.
They might do things we say that they get support.
They might go to all the black man area, they might do all things. What the Blackbush people now live here? Or animal here?
Then I do not for Blackbush people.
Nothing that I do for me, Blackbush people. And they want support, then they get nothing to get. Nothing that I get to get, because some people are drunk today. And then I go see.
Watch, this is the street, watch. Well, then can't say, Mr. Granger time I'm gonna fight for nothing. I'm gonna vote for Granger. I will vote for them. So I've got to fight with them there. No pump now, the pump now work, no pump broke.